Is it easier if I get out of your way?
No, I won't want to blow you.
All right.
You're good till 2024.
Oh wow. Thank you.
You got it.
Have a good one. So right now, I'm just leaving the motor vehicle. Got here at 7:45. It's now 9:30. I had previously applied for collector status on this car. This is my B5S4. It got approved, which basically means the car is exempt from inspection. They just verify mileage once every 5 years. You can't exceed 3,000 miles per year. I'm here at the Randolph, New Jersey motor vehicle, which I avoid this place like the plague, but because they also have the inspection station is why I went here. And, well, it gave me a hard time. What happened was basically I went in there with a piece of paper saying I was approved for collector status. You're supposed to go up there, give them 25 bucks. They give you the voucher, you go to the inspection station manager, and then from there, they give you this sticker, basically, which is specific to collectors. However, I go in there, and per usual, I'm not treated like a human being, and they basically tell me that they don't do collectors here, that I gotta go to Washington, which, we're talking about Washington Township, not like DC. Obviously it's a state issue, but I'm not going to Washington because the letter of approval that I have here clearly states any motor vehicle. So I ignore that lady, stay in line, go to the counter. They're like, okay, you got to fill out this form, get back in line. All right, whatever. Shouldn't have to do that, but whatever. I go, I fill out the form, and I start realizing that it's the application that I've already been approved for. So I fill it out, I get back in line, go back up to the counter. Nobody in the place other than one woman knows this process. Apparently they get one like once every 3 years. But finally, nearly an hour and 40 minutes later, they figured it out, went over to the inspection station. You just go to the inspection station manager, he verifies your documentation. They don't do an inspection, they take your mileage record, give you a sticker, which instead of the square sticker, it's a triangle sticker, and now I am officially collector status in a B5S4. It's pretty awesome. I've had this car in this state for 3 years. I bought it from out of state. I bought it in Connecticut, and realistically, this car is never going to pass the state inspection because they do emissions. So my brother was working at an auction at the time. I just grabbed a sticker off a car in the auction, and I've been running around with that for 3 years, but obviously that has since expired. Now I don't have to worry about driving around with an expired bogus sticker anymore, which is pretty cool. It's now completely legit, and I don't have to get inspected ever, and I just need to show up every 5 years to verify that I'm not exceeding 3,000 miles a year, which I don't. I drive this car maybe 1,000 miles a year. If that. I think that's even a lot. 11 minutes later. Not sure why I would be getting pulled over. Seems like I'm going to be.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. You get your license, registration, all that?
Of course.
Well, that's what kind of inspection is that?
I literally just came back from the motor vehicle. It's collectors.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Get out of here.
swear to God.
I've never seen one like that, man. That's weird.
Yeah,
I got you, dude. You got a front license plate for this thing? Just curious.
I do. It's in my garage, though.
I got you, man. Try to throw that thing on there, you know?
I will.
This is, you know, you see no license plates all the time, but when the inspections like that, I'm like, okay, man.
No, I get that.
Nice car, though, man.
Thank you.
You buy it like this, or you do it up yourself?
I bought it fairly clean, and I'm just kind of meticulous with it. It kind of just lives in the garage and
Oh, really?
probably gets like 300 miles a year. That's why I
That's
just
nice,
applied
man.
for collectors.
So a collector? I've never even like heard of that. Actually.
Yeah, it's apparent they didn't either at the DMV. Apparently, it's like they get one like every 3 years that come in there, but
What?
this car's one of 17, so
In what, New Jersey?
in ever. Yeah,
When they give it to you, the inspection?
just now.
Just now?
I'm coming back from Randolph right
And they
now.
only gave you, do you have any like receipts on you? or anything?
I have
Just so I can see, yeah, I know it's not done, but like, holy shit.
collector
Wow.
from today.
And they only gave you this month?
Yeah.
That's weird, man. That's what they gotta do every month or something like that?
No, so it's good for 5 years. And they just verify that the odometer works, and you
Oh,
go
I
back
see.
once every 5 years.
Yeah. That's weird, man.
Yeah.
Alright, well, actually, you know, are you the registered owner?
I am.
Alright, man, I got another thing actually going on. You can
Okay.
keep this.
All right.
Alright, man, hey, have
You-
a good one, alright?
Thank you. You have a good one as well.
Alright, thank you.
I'm on my way home from the inspection station, and I've already gotten pulled over by a cop that has never seen that inspection sticker before. You can't make this up. I never once got pulled over when it was not legit, and I just finished saying that I'm finally actually legit, and this is the first time I've been pulled over in this car about anything to do with an inspection. It's pretty funny. The cops don't know anything about the collector status. The motor vehicle doesn't know anything about collector status. It's unreal.